Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna make arajiru. So arajiru means fish soup. So ara means like a bone and head and some fin. This is a bone with a little meat. Small chip of fin. So I'm just catch sea bass last night from Japanese sea surf area. It's lure fishing. So I'm already clean up ara fish bone and head and clean up everything. So this step is very important. So took red part, blood and everything, like clean up organ and some dirty part, and wash and change water over 5 times, soaking fresh water, then through the water, then wash again, then through the water, about 5 times. That's why it's clean everything right now. So I've already made base stock from kombu and sababushi. So now start boiling together, then making arajiru. It's a fish soup. スズキのアラ汁。スズキ means sea bass from Japanese. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, making dashi now. It's 2 liter water and 10 gram kombu. Boiling about 5 minutes. Pick up kombu. This is sababushi, 60 grams. So making dashi, basic stock. So this step is very important. Making a good soup. So you have to clean up surface, scum off. Okay, this is the dashi I made already. Turn on switch, high flame. And ara, fish bone, and head. Everything in. So this step is very important. Clean up surface area. Just scum off. Clear, beautiful color, little bit shining gold. So first step, this is a 15-gram salt. So make sure the taste taste again. So just a little bit added sweet flavor. This is a mirin. About 5 cc. Okay, done. Okay, this is Seabass Arajiru. Seabass means Suzuki, Japanese name. Arajiru means fish bone soup. Suzuki no Arajiru. Clear soup. いただきます。I'm just using kombu, sababushi, and salt, and just a little bit mirin. That's it. Taste. meat. So this one is meat with bone. So soft. Big bone. So this sea bass I'm just catch from Japanese sea south side lure fishing, 75 centimeter, big one. So lure fishing catch fish is very fresh, but if you catch fresh fish, so you have to care of took abroad. So still fish living, so still has pearls and bead in the heart. So that time you have to do prepare for the took blood from body. So in my case, I'm just using knife and put in the gear. So around the collar area, then cut over span. So just one time cut over span. So took a blood come out. So if you do nothing, that kind prepare for the fish. So if you take about 1 hour or 2 hours to bring home, so still keep inside blood. So that meaning the bad smell for keep inside because that fish has blood. So blood is makes smell it so fast. That's why if you catch some big fish, you have to took blood that time. So that's why this soup is so delicious because I know how to make good food. So I'm just doing that kind technique took abroad. That's why all meat is clean, no bad smell. Very delicious. Everything so fresh. So this is スズキアラ汁 from Japanese sea. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good catching fish from ocean side. Thank you very much.